Hey pond family, whether you have a pond or a pondless water feature, it's subject to water loss from evaporation and splashing. You can throw the hose in every week, or you can have us install an automatic fill valve, just like in the back of your toilets. It'll keep the feature topped off at all times. So the way an autofill works, you hook the tube up to a water spigot outside your house. We trench it in the ground with staples. You won't see it. That tube is connected to the back of the float inside your vault or skimmer, and then we adjust it to the proper water level. The benefits of installing an autofill valve in your feature, it makes it more worry-free for you. Like if you go on vacation, you don't have to have someone come over and put water in your feature. It'll also save you time, so that way you can do other things with your life than having to come out and put water in your feature manually. It was a bit of work to put in, but it's small things like this that we do to make your water feature experience better. If there's anything else you want us to cover, put it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just reach out.